In this video, you'll learn how to create a GitHub account and create your very first repository in less than 3 minutes. Let's get started. Open your web browser and go to github.com. If you already have an account, click Sign In. If you're new to GitHub, click Sign Up. Enter your email address, create a secure password, and choose a unique username. Complete the verification steps, then click Create Account. After verifying your email, you'll be taken to your GitHub dashboard. In the top right corner, click the plus icon. Select New Repository. Enter a repository name. For example, my first project. You can also add an optional description. Choose public if you want everyone to see your project, or private if you want only invited users to access it. Check the box labeled Add a README file. Then click Create Repository. Congratulations! Your first GitHub repository has been created. This is your repository page. The README file is where you can describe your project. The code button lets you clone or download your repository. As you continue learning Git and GitHub, this is where you'll store your code and collaborate with others. That's it. You've successfully created a GitHub account and your first repository. In the next video, I'll show you how to connect GitHub with Visual Studio Code and push your first project. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick programming tutorials.